Hello, everybody. Again, I'm meteorologist Tim Jones, and the subject today is blizzards. It's the most overused term in winter, and here's why. I think a lot of people around the United States don't understand what the true definition of what a blizzard is. And I'll admit, it can be confusing, but I love to watch a lot of outdoor adventure videos, winter camping, people that push snow, and I watch a lot of them on YouTube. And you know what? I hear the term blizzard being overused all the time, and that's okay because it's confusing. So I thought I'd clarify here and go through the definitions and actually define what the different winter storm terms are in terms of an advisory or a warning. Now, I think most of us know that watches come out or precede any warnings. That means winter weather or severe weather could be imminent, but it's not imminent at the time. This is an area that's being watched for the potential, in this case, winter weather. But at least the lowest category in my mind is the winter weather advisory. And I'll show you a map of what it looks like in a moment, but that's always outlined in purple. So the counties in your area, if under a winter weather advisory, would be shaded in purple. And that's for snow 3 to 5 inches in 12 hours, sleet less than a half inch, blowing snow is possible, and freezing rain of a quarter inch or less. If it's more than a quarter of an inch, there'd be a freezing rain warning for that particular threat type. So again, now keep in mind that some of these criteria can vary from National Weather Service office or from region, and the reason for that is, well, the weather we have in the wintertime in the Midwest, for example, is a little different than what you get in the South or the Southeast. So people are a little more sensitive to winter weather in the South, and so the criteria might be, the threshold might be a little lower for certain parts of the country like the South. Not poking fun at you folks watching in the South, just saying that you don't have winter weather as often, and we might be a little more seasoned when it comes to winter weather. Now, the winter storm warning is a particular amount of snowfall in a 12 or 24-hour time frame. It starts in the 12-hour time frame with 6 inches of heavy snow or more, 8 inches in a 24-hour period, a half inch of sleet or more. And again, this can vary from Weather Service office to office. So keep in mind, now the one thing that doesn't vary is the blizzard warning. Obviously, you might have a blizzard watch first, and that is we're monitoring an area for potential blizzard conditions. But when it becomes within 24 hours and a blizzard condition seem imminent, then that watch will be upgraded to a warning. And here's the criteria. Keep this in mind. Winds 35 miles per hour or greater, visibility of a quarter mile or less, and those two criteria must be sustained for a minimum of 3 hours or more. Now keep in mind, their snowfall amounts have nothing to do with that criteria. It may or may not, a blizzard that is, may or may not be accompanied by snow. There's such a thing as a ground blizzard. That is snow already on the ground, winds of 35 miles per hour or more that actually blow the snow off the ground and reduce visibility. So again, it doesn't have anything to do with the amount of snowfall. I hear a lot of times people saying, well, we're in a blizzard, we're getting 12 inches of snow or 2 feet of snow. Well, that's not criteria for a blizzard. So keep that in mind as we look at what the outline is. This is taken from the National Weather Service in the Twin Cities in Minnesota, and this is a map that they issued a couple winters ago, and you can see those counties, the part of Minnesota shaded in orange. That is a blizzard warning. The pink area is a winter storm warning, and then that purple area from Red Wing to Eau Claire down to Rochester in purple is a winter weather advisory. So that's how it looks on a watch and warning map in the wintertime, and hopefully this will help you kind of differentiate what the criteria are, what the differences are between a winter weather advisory, a winter storm warning, and a blizzard warning. Hope this helps, and have a great winter, and I'll be back with more forecast tips and, of course, the forecast coming up in just a few days.